Hi everyone, Aaron from Ariens Co here, showing you how to assemble a brand new Ariens Professional 21 out of the crate that we boxed it up in at our factory in Brillion, Wisconsin. So as long as you have your safety goggles and a pair of gloves ready, let's begin. Open the crate top and remove all the staples, keeping the box top closed. Then remove the cardboard inserts from inside the crate. Locate the setup guide at the top of the unit's housing. Each Ariens Sno product is packed with a pictorial instruction sheet showing the step-by-step out-of-box assembly procedure, which can be referenced as a complement to the material we're covering in this video. You'll notice the setup guide calls out a few tools. For this procedure, you'll need a socket wrench, a 3/8 inch socket or wrench, a 1/2 inch socket or wrench, and a cutting tool. Carefully and slowly cut the crate's corners to collapse the crate's walls. Locate the box underneath the handlebars and verify it supplies a discharge chute, a chute ring, an oil bottle, and a chute mounting bracket. If this unit's chute is manually operated, the chute ring will be welded to a control handle. Move the unit off the crate and recycle the crate. Cut the cable ties securing the upper handlebars to the lower handlebars. Remove and discard all the packaging material on the unit and remove the upper handlebars from the assembly area. Remove the hardware retaining the wire form bracket on the right side of the unit and set all parts aside. Remove the hardware retaining the cable pulley bracket to the left side of the unit and set all parts aside. Position the upper handlebars over the lower handlebars and reinstall the bolts removed in the previous steps. Disengage the wire form bracket from the recoil starter rope. Install the original spacers onto the bolts on the right side of the unit and reinstall the wire form bracket. Secure all parts with the flange nuts removed earlier, but do not over-tighten the hardware and crush the spacers. Re-engage the recoil starter handle rope in the wire form bracket. Install the original spacers onto the bolts on the left side of the unit and reinstall the cable pulley bracket. Secure all parts with the flange nuts removed earlier, but do not over-tighten the hardware and crush the spacers. Verify the auger control lever is disengaged. Route the auger cable under the lower handlebars and pull the cable adjustment cover up to expose the cable adjustment plate. Engage the Z-hook at the end of the cable in one of the holes in the adjustment plate and wrap the cable around the hook at the plate base. It doesn't necessarily matter which hole you position the Z-hook through, just so the cable has tension when the auger control lever is engaged and has slack when the lever is released. The higher the Z-hook is installed through the adjustment plate, the more tension the cable has when the auger control lever is pulled. Carefully remove the literature pack from the lower handlebars and remove the hardware bag from inside the pack. Then reinstall the literature pack around the lower handlebars. Position the chute ring over the discharge opening and align the holes in the ring with the holes in the opening. Ensure the ring is positioned so the small arrow on top of the ring is pointing in a generally forward direction and not toward the rear of the unit. Align the discharge chute and the chute mounting bracket over the mounting ring and secure all parts with the hardware supplied in the literature pack, but do not over-tighten. Double check that all hardware is tight and the chute is secure. Test the chute rotation. Remove the oil fill plug from the engine and raise the rear of the unit so a funnel can sit inside the fill opening without falling. Wipe any dirt and debris from a funnel and insert the funnel into the oil fill. Remove the cap and seal from the oil bottle supplied in the crate and slowly pour the oil into the funnel until the bottle is empty. Wipe the end of the funnel as you remove it and reinstall the fill plug. Slowly lower the unit back to its operating position. Leave the literature pack on the handlebars for now. This contains the operator's manual, registration information, and other important resources for the customer. Now before rolling this brand new Ariens Sno-Thro to the show floor, give it one final inspection to ensure it's without damage. If you do notice any out-of-box quality issues like damage or missing parts, remove it from the display floor immediately and contact Ariens customer support. To learn more about the unit that you just assembled, remember to watch the product overview videos that we created for you this season. And finally, on behalf of myself and the rest of the Ariens family, thank you for your continued partnership and happy selling.